proceed already with your application. So let's go step by step and see how it works. So yung remote, so when you send a link to the client, so first we click yung remote option for the DBC. Then now at this point, you can input your client's mobile number or email so that we can send these links straight to them. So you have two options, either type in the mobile number and send link, or click the send via email instead. Now once that's all good, click yung send link, and it will go to your client's mobile number or email, where all they need to do is sign the DPC and upload the ID. So let's see how that looks for our client. So let's say you put in their mobile number or their email and you have sent it to the client. So how does that look like? First, once your client receives it, it will ask the client to read the data privacy statement, and if they are all good, they may click agree. Now, once they have clicked agree, so just like the face-to-face process, they can select where they are at the time of their signing. So they can just search their location. Then once they find it, they can click on that, and once they have found their location and clicked, you'll see that blue button there, or they will see that blue button there. Then they can click next. Once they click next, they can now sign and put in their signature. And once they've signed, they need to click save. Once they click save, naka-check na yung DPC nila. And now it's time for them to upload yung ID. So they can, from this point, you can select your client can select yung ID. So whatever that they would like to provide, they may send it. So in this case, they will use a driver's license. So they can click that and click submit. So once they click submit, so it's just like yung face-to-face process, but your client is the one completing it. They will click yung front or tap yung front ID card box, and they will upload yung ID either through take photo or using yung photo library. So whether they are able to take a photo or they already have it in store sa photo library, they can choose what best fits them. So if they choose to take photo, there are some guidelines so that they are informed on what it will need them to do to take a good picture of their ID, so that at least they can be sure that their IDs can be verified. So they just need to follow these guidelines and then take a picture. So once they take a photo of that ID, they can now take that photo, and once it's uploaded, just like yung face-to-face, matic din siya. So yung OCR, so yung optical recognition software natin talagang OC. Kapag na-upload na, verify na kagad. Kasi excited din siya mag-scan. So once it has been uploaded and once it has been completed, the information read by the OCR will now display on your screen or on the client's screen. Then they just need to click submit or you proceed. Then the ID has been successfully uploaded. Then they need to click OK. So for the back of the ID, they can upload the picture either through take photo or photo library and take that photo. But just like what we discussed a while ago, yung driver's license, hindi kailangan ng OCR niyan. So at that point,